All right, here's the drone footage for One Council Trail in Wilmington. And I got to tell you, this is another house that is extraordinary. So I will show you the interior video, and you come in the back door into the kitchen, and wow, what a way is that to come into the house. You'll see that video, but just amazing house. So taking the drone footage, you are right there, essentially on the corner. It is not a main street, just so you're aware, pretty good sized yard. Obviously snow covered at this current point in time, but I'm going to zoom up here and you can see the street, and very quaint. I drove around. I mean, I know the neighborhood too, of course, but I don't think I sold anything on this particular street. So this is all the way up. You can see the river, and later on you'll actually see when I rotate the other way, you can see the Philly skyline. So super cool from that standpoint. Nice clear day, not as cold as it's been. But yeah, taking those shots of the neighborhood. Now we're gonna fly right into the house without crashing, of course. And here comes the other video. All right, One Council Trail here in Wilmington, Delaware. We're gonna do the outside first and walk around and then get in. The snow is gonna be crunching beneath my feet. But as you can see, nice driveway here, 2-car garage. Something I really like to see too. Drain right there. You wanna wash your car there and it goes right down there, it's perfect. It's a nice little walkway up here. That is the door. We're going to be going inside, but let's see what we can see on the outside. Roof is snow covered, but I think it's newer. I'll check the disclosure. There's the AC unit. Just standard vinyl siding. Yep. Good here. Actually, it looks like they have everything piped in here and draining down there. So perched up on a hill, it's great news. As long as everything's pitched, I'm sure the basement's dry. Have a side entrance here. Let's make sure we don't slip and fall. And electric meter. Check that out. Walkout basement. Very nice. Gutters seem pretty good. Bricks in good shape. Windows are not updated from what I can tell, but we'll look on the inside. And that, I believe, for the oil tank, so we'll check that in the basement. And there we go. So that's basically the 360. I'm gonna speed it up. All right, up we go, and in we go. So we'll be taking my shoes off, and here we go. Oh wow. Beautiful kitchen. That is a massive island. Check to see if that's staying, but if it's not, I always tell people you just get the same thing. Let me close this, keep the heat in. All right, I think it's Korean counters. Nice hardwood there. Decent cabinets, actually more than decent. Backsplash, let me spin around. We got electric cooking. Look at that view. Nice. Is that your kitchen? Oh, that's a nice piece too. Now that I would bank on them taking. But again, always check, because that piece, to me, really makes the kitchen too. And the ceiling fan. You do have recessed lighting in the kitchen, and that is a massive kitchen. So cool. Shoot over here, should be the dining room. Looks like they're using it as a makeshift office. Oh, and it flows. Look at all those windows. So these windows, as I mentioned outside, they're wooden, single clasp. They do have storm windows in there too. So if you're worried about efficiency, the storm windows really do help. Wow. Look at that. Fantastic. And while I'm looking around, looks like they have a built-in stereo system too. Very cool. Hardwood floors, good shape, neutral gray. I love it. Kind of a faux fireplace effect there. Wow. No, the opening's great. And I'm gonna spin around so you can see this angle. But take that in. Awesome house. Awesome house indeed. So there's the front door. Get that. We're not gonna go down yet. We're gonna stay on one level. Spin around. All right, so here, let me pull that back up. Here is the laundry. Nice, they even did that wood effect there. 2 nice bright LED lights. The shelf, look at that, HGTV-esque. Attic access right there to pull down. Now we're entering bedroom number 1, which is huge. That's a king bed. So nightstand there, and look at this. With a fireplace, the shelves, oh, this is cool. And, I mean, who knows what, you'd want to use it for, your own separate walkout. So you want to get creative. This could be almost a mini Airbnb unit. A family member that works late or comes home at weird times. Sorry, just checking out the size. This would be great. And to me, that's a wood-burning fireplace. Fantastic. And this is a closet. Floors are toasty. I think the heater's right under there. Just thinking out loud, to me, that should be a bathroom. If somebody ever wanted to convert it, it just makes sense. I mean, you can build a closet anywhere. This room's massive. And I mean, you already have closets too. Clearly. I still love looking at houses. That's a slam dunk though. To me, and look at that. Allure vinyl plank, Home Depot, khaki oak color. I love it. That's a nice little nook. But to me, the best bang for your buck down the road is turning that into a bathroom. And you do have water here, so in the basement, it shouldn't be too far away. All right, so that was bedroom number 1. We're on to bedroom number 2. Check this out. And you know what? I might get tricky if I have time. We'll see. So 2 closets. Let's see how this goes. Bet you that wall between them could probably bump out. All right. And then bedroom number 3. That's a king bed too. I'll check the floor. So whole wall of closets over there. I'll spin you around. Window. And what do we have? Bonus closets and then the bathroom. Look at this. Same floor I saw there. Vinyl plank, khaki oak. Updated. Clean, simple. Tasteful too. Let's see. Yep. Just updated. No old tiles. I love it. You do have a window in that bathroom. Yeah, those colors work well. And then just making sure we're not missing anything. That is a deep closet. That goes back about 8 feet, I'd say. Maybe 7. Okay. And then this one is just going to be smaller. Yep, linen closet. Cool. Checking out the doors. Not your normal 6-panel door design, by the way. Same floor in here. And this, by the way, is flush. What I wanted to point out is this was not. So they put hardwoods on top of hardwood, which is fine. But under here, I have to imagine, you have other hardwoods too. So real sturdy floor. Pedestal sink. Nice walk-in shower. I actually painted the ceiling black. I like it. Look at those lights. I think that's it for the main level. Let's keep moseying along. Yeah, take out, I mean, that shot of that kitchen. Phenomenal. And the kudos to them for decorating. To me, a lot of this house appears and only appears staged. It's not. This is them living that here and their taste. Look at that. I walked past it, but a nice little nook too. All right, let's head on down. My gut feels this is going to be your coat closet here to the left. And it is. And their internet stuff. So that's the front door. I imagine no one really uses it. And then let's head on to the lower level. Hello, hello. All right, lower level, unfinished. We'll bring you up. High ceilings. Let's take you right back here. So that's that walkout. Right under the master bedroom walkout. Here is your panel. All right. Should be 200 amps. You got 4 throws. Block construction. I'll spin you around. Pretty high ceilings. Again, finishable, especially with the walkout, but this is not finished in its current stage. I mean, they have a ton of storage over there, which is great. Kind of like a, a mock living room here. Your hot water heater's tucked back there. As you can see, there's the gas line. So gas fed. You have a sink here. Remember, we saw laundry upstairs. So back in the day, they might have had it here, but they moved it. Here is your heater. Let's see if we can see any more. Yeah, I don't want to be moving their stuff. So let's just kind of poke around there. Okay, so it's a Bryant. We'll get more on the disclosure on that. Little workshop area here. Or I shouldn't say little, this is big. Crawl space. Newer plumbing, I see, which is good. All right, big. And then we're gonna have this space under the stairs. So a little coat closet here. And then the garage. Oh, I love a basement garage. Walk right in. So they put a ceiling up, it's insulated. You do have a pole right here in the middle. If you don't have a minivan, beware. Learned that the hard way. All right, so windows, nice. You got some daylight in here. Look at that. Fits a boat, literally. I think they have a backup fridge down here. There is your oil tank. All right. Awesome house. Yeah. I'm curious why that floor was, oh, now I know why that was so hot. Here's your master bedroom. And literally right under the heater is that room I thought would be a good one to convert to a bathroom if somebody needed it. And that's why that floor was so hot. The benefit of taking your shoes off, let me close this and leave it as I found it. The benefit of taking your shoes off is you can feel heated floors. Make sure everything I touched go over with hand sanitizer. All right. Killer house. I'll just go this way because I didn't. Take it in. Wow. It's a great layout. Really is. And true for most people, besides the steps getting up here, it's one floor living once you're in the house, which is nice. There's nothing you have to go down the basement for. So, that's it. Here's that first bedroom. Second, third, and the bathroom. All right. Hopefully that maps it out for you. Saves you the trouble. But we'll leave the interior video right there.